You use it every week. But did you know the most underrated invention ever was nearly lost to history? Back in 1767, Jacob Christian Scheffer made the first washing machine. But it wasn't electric, and honestly barely worked. Therefore, in 1908, Alva Fisher changed the game with the first electric washer. People legit thought it was dangerous. But here's the twist. Washing machines weren't common in homes until the 1950s. So what did people do before that? The washing machine is called the best invention for women's freedom. And get this, it saved more time than smartphones ever will.